How to change card limits on your Absa Banking app. Log into the Absa Banking app. Tap Cards in the bottom left of your screen. Select the relevant card and select Card Transaction Limits. You can add or slide to set your local ATM withdrawal limit and point of sale daily limit. Once your new amounts have been added, tap Save. Accept the verification request that pops up. Tap Done. You have successfully changed your card limits. Always log out after using your Absa Banking app.